In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill a table with color in Google Docs. Adding color to your tables can make your documents look more appealing and help emphasize the information they contain. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve a colorful and organized table in just a few simple steps. First, you need to open your document in Google Docs and locate the table you want to modify. Once you find it, go ahead and highlight the cell or cells that you wish to fill with color. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the specific cells you're focusing on, ensuring they are all selected. You should see them highlighted with a light blue tint, indicating they are ready for your next action. Now direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the Google Docs interface. You'll find several icons and drop-down menus here. The section you're interested in is the background color option. This option might be represented by a small paint bucket icon, depending on your version. Click on it and you'll see a palette of colors appear. These colors are the ones you can choose to fill your selected cells. Once you've opened the color palette, it's time to pick a color. Consider your document's theme or the message you're trying to convey as you make your selection. For example, a soft pastel might be perfect for a formal report, whereas bold, bright colors might work well in a creative project. Click on your preferred color and immediately you'll notice the highlighted cells take on the new color as their background. Interestingly, you can also change the border color of your table to complement your chosen background color. If you decide to modify the border color, start by selecting the specific borders. However, for today's task, we'll focus on changing colors for the entire table. So go ahead and highlight the entire table by clicking and dragging across all the cells. With the entire table highlighted, look back up to the toolbar and click on Table Options. This will open a drop-down menu with various choices. From the list, select the Color option. Here, you can change the table's overall color scheme. Feel free to experiment with different combinations, creating a visually appealing and cohesive look for your document. And there you have it, a beautifully colored table in Google Docs. Remember, playing with colors not only makes your document more visually attractive, but also helps the reader focus on critical information. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Google Docs.